Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a truly fascinating topic, the incredible healing properties of Manuka honey. You've probably heard of honey before, right? It's sweet, sticky, and delicious. But Manuka honey? That's a whole different ballgame. Imagine a special kind of honey, harvested from a unique plant that grows in a very specific part of the world. This isn't just your everyday breakfast topping. Manuka honey has been gaining a lot of attention in the medical and scientific communities, and for good reason. It's packed with something called methylglyoxal, or MGO for short. Now, don't let the big words scare you. Think of MGO as a tiny superhero within the honey. It's the key player that gives Manuka honey its powerful antibacterial punch. What does that mean for you? Well, picture this. You get a small cut or scrape. Instead of just putting a regular bandage on it, imagine applying a thin layer of Manuka honey. Studies have shown that this MGO helps to fight off those pesky bacteria that can cause infections, helping your wound heal faster and more effectively. It's like having a natural antiseptic right in your pantry. But it's not just about cuts and scrapes. Manuka honey is also being explored for its ability to help with other issues. Think about sore throats, that scratchy, uncomfortable feeling. Many people find relief by taking a spoonful of Manuka honey. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritation. And for those struggling with digestive issues, some research suggests it might even play a role in supporting gut health. It's truly amazing how a natural product can have such a wide range of potential benefits. Of course, it's important to remember that while Manuka honey is fantastic, it's not a magic cure-all. Always consult with a healthcare professional for serious conditions. But for everyday wellness and minor ailments, incorporating Manuka honey into your routine could be a wonderful natural option to explore. It's truly a gift from nature, offering a sweet path to better health. So next time you're looking for something to give you a little boost, remember the power of Manuka honey.